Welcome to this tutorial for Trend Micro Home Network Security. In this video, we'll teach you how to extend Home Network Security's parental controls to your children's iOS devices. Using the new Trend Micro Guardian app, which you install and pair with your Home Network Security station, you can protect them even if they leave your home network. Before we begin, make sure your Home Network Security station is working and configured properly. You have an active Home Network Security subscription and have assigned your child's iOS devices to the correct family member profile. To get started, open your Home Network Security app on the device you use to manage your network security. Tap the command menu icon on the top left corner. The command menu appears. Tap Family. From the Family panel, tap your child's profile. Your child's profile screen appears with the Parental Controls tab selected. Under the Trend Micro Guardian pop-up panel, tap View Devices to begin installation. The Trend Micro Guardian introduction appears with an overview of its features. Tap Setup now. The device screen appears showing the child's devices supported by the Guardian app. Tap the child's iOS device where you'll install the app. The Install Trend Micro Guardian screen appears with a QR code to install the Guardian app and a pairing code to pair it with your Home Network Security station. Using your child's device, scan the QR code to get the link to the app or simply search for Trend Micro Guardian on the Apple App Store. On the Apple App Store, install the Trend Micro Guardian app. After the installation, open the Guardian app. Privacy and Personal Data Collection Disclosure screen appears. Read the disclosure. If you agree, check I agree to share user data to help improve this app. Tap Accept and Continue. An instructional screen appears describing the internet security it provides for your child. Tap Accept and Continue. A second instructional screen appears describing how mobile devices use the same rules inside and outside the home network. Tap Next. The Pair Now screen appears. Tap Pair Now. The Guardian app will ask for a pairing code. Type the pairing code displayed in the Home Network Security app on your managing device into the field provided on your child's device. The Pairing Complete screen appears, showing the process of pairing as it checks the settings and pairs. When the pairing process is complete, a screen appears indicating that Guardian needs permissions to a specific list of iOS settings. Tap Allow Permissions. A pop-up appears asking, Guardian would like to send you notifications. Tap Allow. The Profile Installation screen appears. Tap Download Profile. A pop-up appears indicating this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Tap Allow. A pop-up appears indicating Profile Downloaded and that you'll need to open the Settings app to install it. Tap Close. Open the Settings app. On the Settings screen, tap Profile Downloaded. A screen appears for you to install Profile. Tap Install. A passcode pop-up screen appears. Enter your device passcode. A warning pop-up screen appears indicating that installing the profile will allow an administrator to remotely manage your iOS device. Tap Install. A pop-up appears asking if you trust this profile source to enroll your device into remote management. Tap Trust. The profile installs. Tap Done. Go back and open the Guardian app on your child's device. Guardian loads, and a pop-up indicates that your child's device is ready to manage. Tap OK. Trend Micro Guardian is now active on your child's device. Congratulations! You have just extended internet safety to your child's iOS device, even when they go outside of your home network. If you are concerned that your child may uninstall the Guardian app, you can set up restricted mode to prevent it. Notice the pop-up asking if you need uninstall protection. You can tap Learn More to learn more about how to do this, or just keep watching this video as we guide you through the process. Tap Skip for now. To begin the setup, open Settings on your child's device. The Settings screen appears. In the Settings screen, tap Screen Time. The Screen Time screen appears. Tap Turn on Screen Time. An overview screen appears. Tap Continue. A screen appears asking, "Is this iPhone for yourself or your child?" Tap "This is my child's iPhone." In the Downtime screen, tap Not Now. This setting will be managed by Home Network Security. In the App Limit screen, tap Not Now. This will also be managed by Home Network Security. In the Content and Privacy screen, tap Continue. Enter a Screen Time passcode, then re-enter your Screen Time passcode to confirm it. The Screen Time passcode recovery screen appears. Enter your Apple ID and password. The Screen Time screen appears. Tap Always Allowed. In the Always Allowed screen, tap the Guardian Add sign to add it to allowed apps. Enter your Screen Time passcode again to ensure Guardian's Always Allowed status cannot be changed without the passcode. Guardian is now listed in the Allowed Apps list. Back in the Screen Time settings, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle the Content and Privacy Restrictions to On. Tap iTunes and App Store purchases. The settings for installing, deleting, and in-app purchases are shown in the iTunes and App Store purchases screen as Allow by default. Change these settings as you see fit, appropriate to the age and app options you give to your child, but ensure you tap Don't Allow for deleting apps. Tap Always Require to require the passcode anytime an attempt is made to change these settings. Congratulations! Your child will now be restricted from deleting apps. Guardian cannot be uninstalled without first entering the Screen Time passcode. Thank you for using Trend Micro Home Network Security. For more information, go to the following website.